we have hard G's, and that's when the G comes before A, O, U, or Å, such as gå, gul, gata, gåta. G before the E, I, Y, Ä, and Ö would be soft G's, which would pronounce gilla, gäster, göra, etc. With other words, we say that G, how you say the English Y, like in yes, so it becomes a J word. We have a silent G when it comes before a N, so gnugga, gnista. Then we have the NG word, and that is when it's N and G, like song, fånga, lång. And then we have the she word, which often comes with borrowed words from English, and that would be garage.